Hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, hello, hello. Yeah. Today we are going to start small concept related to Oracle database product. Oracle. These are demo classes. Don't write it anything. Just observe it, whatever I am telling only. Oracle. This Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. Everyone knows. This is a pure database product. What is that one? I will tell you. But before that one, some versions are there in Oracle. Oracle 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, 6.0, 6.1, 5.1 also there. And now here 7.0, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 8.0, 8.1.5, 8.1.6, 8.1.7. That is also called as 8i, 9i, 10G, 11G, 12C, 18C, 19C, and the latest one, 21C. But in our class, this software is available, 19C we are learning only. Oh, C means cloud technology, cloud computing is there. In a olden days, Greek computing is there. Now cloud. What is cloud and all these things, we are understandable. Now this is Oracle 19C. 19C means cloud technology. Observe it here. This is the latest version we are learning in our class. But what is this Oracle? Slowly observe it here. Screen observe it. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. Okay, but here this is a database product. Observe it here. Oracle is a database product. There is so many fellows having idea. Oracle is a database product. Okay, fine. And now check it out. Not only Oracle, so many database products are available in our country. Okay, sorry. In a software side, so many database products are available. Suppose Oracle is a database product from Oracle Corporation. Observe it here. Different companies. Again, maybe so many fellows having idea. SQL Server is a database product from Microsoft. DB2 is a database product from IBM company. MySQL is a database product that is an open source, but nowadays Oracle Corporation only purchasing. Again, Sybase is a database product from Ingress Corporation. Again, Teradata. Maybe so many fellows having idea, data warehousing application programmers. Teradata is a database product from NCR Corporation. SQLite is a database product. Like this, so many database products are there from different companies only. Okay, na? That's why always Oracle is a one of the popular database product. Okay, fine. Database. Don't write it anything. Just observe here. Database. But what is the purpose of these database products means everyone knows. Whenever we are installing these database products in our system, otherwise company side, what is the main purpose means? For storing data. For storing, don't write it anything. Observe it here. For storing data permanently. For storing data permanently in secondary storage devices. Secondary storage devices means maybe hard disk or not. Yes, here. One of these. Okay, secondary storage devices. Okay, fine. Permanent. Suppose today we are storing data means after 5 years, 10 years after, 10 years after, 20 years after, 100 years after, also your data is available. You are using. Now that's why always these are Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. Some version number is there. This is a database product. One of the popular database is a Oracle, is a product from Oracle Corporation. But what is the purpose of that one means? For storing data permanently in secondary storage devices. Now slowly observe it here. Actually, so many database applications are there in a worldwide. 90% of these software applications are depends on database. Without database, impossible to store the water data. Now check it out. Suppose, for example, you are a first-time newcomer. So now here non-technical person means easily understandable means every organization maintain a database. Okay, fine. For example, observe it here. For example, okay, so now yes, easily understandable. So many applications are there. One of the application I'm taking. You take bank. Banks maintain databases. Banks maintain databases. Observe it here. What is the purpose? They are maintaining a what database means storing a something means. Observe it here. Suppose yes, here customers are okay, account holders are deposit some amount. You are also depositing some amount only. Your details, your name, address, phone number, your balance, your account number. These details are storing is important permanently. Now that's why yes, account holder or customers are deposit some amount only. Those details they want to store permanently. Suppose here you are also, I am also, otherwise some customers are withdrawing some amount. Okay, fine. Those details also they want. Again, some fellows are transferring a what money from one account to another account, either online or offline or anywhere also. And now those all the transaction information I want to store permanently. Then only we are operating all the things. That's why now here, yes, here banks maintain databases. Banks means everyone understandable. That's why. Suppose here telecom companies, yes, so many examples are there, just roughly now here easily understandable purpose. I'm telling only telecom companies maintain databases. Suppose here, yes, you are make a call to your friend or anything. Those call details are where it will be storing in a databases. Suppose here and now here online. Suppose so many fellows are nowadays purchasing items in a where online portals through Flipkart, Amazon, those type of so many online shopping portals are there. Through that one, so now they are purchasing items. Those shopping portal also maintain a databases. Because you are purchasing a one item means that order number, how it will be generated. Database, some application is there, auto increment concept only through that one. Nowadays in a banking system, OTP validation is there. In a phone number we are typing only, then automatically generate a OTP only, then you are sending that OTP. How? Database application. That's why so many different reservations, all the things. Okay, so now so many applications in a worldwide, in a real-time application, maintain databases. Okay, fine. Maintain databases. And now check it out. Concentrate here. Concentrate. Very important. Now, okay, fine. Suppose I'm a first-time newcomer. How I am thinking? Oh, maybe database is nothing is there. Suppose I'm installing a Oracle software. That is one of the database software only. Whenever I'm installing a Oracle software into my system, automatically some place is created in a hard disk only. Oh, maybe this place is called a database only. Okay, so many fellows are thinking like that. Okay, database. Okay, fine. Here only, in this place only, we are storing a data. Suppose here we are storing a what? In a random collection of data, we are thinking only. That is absolutely wrong one. Actually, Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, Informix, Ingress, Teradata, these type of databases are not storing a random collection of data. These databases does not store a random collection of data. These databases only store structured collection of data. That is important. Suppose here nowadays, random collection of data, any data storing means some non-relational databases are there. That is MongoDB. That is different. These databases, Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, these databases are relational databases. Relational databases. One of the popular relational databases, Oracle and SQL Server and MySQL, these databases. What is relational databases? We are learning in the future. Don't worry. And now here, these databases stores a structured collection of data. Suppose here I'm installing a Oracle software in my system. You are also installing in a future installation. I will tell you. Now, once we are installing a what, this Oracle software, some database is some place is created in a hard disk. Now, in this place, this is a relational database product. That's why we are storing a what, a structured collection of data. Why? Because relational data model is introduced by 1970 only E.F. Cod. He is basically mathematician. That's why he decided to store the data in the format of matrix. Matrix are nothing but rows and columns or not. Maybe you have an idea. I think mathematics only rows and columns. Same like yes, here data is stored in the where logical structure side. What is logical? What is physical data? And now here logical structure side, here table format only, a structured manner only data is storing. Once a structured collection of data is there, yes, all relational databases stores a what? Structured collection of data. That is important, not a non-structured. Non-structured means another databases are there. Oracle is one of the popular relational database. Structured collection of data. Structured collection of data only storing by the where these type of relational databases. Once a structured collection of data is there, we are operating what this data by using what some languages are required. What is that language means? Maybe anybody have an idea? SQL is a language, structured query language. SQL is a language is there. Through this language only, we are operating what data in a where this structured data in a relational databases. But MongoDB, those type of databases are different. That is SQL language is not there. There is no SQL. That is JavaScript, those type of languages, you have an idea, no? So now here, yes, those knowledges are required. But this is SQL is a one separate language is there. Through that one, we are, okay, so now here operating a data in this okay, in these type of databases. Now check it out, concentrate here. For example, don't worry, suppose this is a Oracle database. Okay, fine. Really in my system, okay, so many classes we are learning, okay, so we are teaching only. That's why, yes, so many tables are there. Check it out, observe it here. In my Oracle database, observe it here. This is a what? Some table is there. Okay, something is there. For example, here in this database, a structured collection of data is there or not? Yes, organized fashion only they are storing a data. Observe here, you are also storing a what in a future like this. Organized fashion means, oh, maybe table. Here these are columns. Here these are rows only. Here columns are there. Something an organized manner only they are storing the data. Slowly observe here. Oh, maybe this is a matrix format. Here employee number. In this column only numbers are available. Slowly observe here. Yes, in this column only characters are available. Yes, in this column only dates are available. That's why observe here, a structured manner only the data is storing. Suppose here okay, anything we are observing also in your database, relational database side, a structured data is there. Okay, fine. A structured collection of data is there. Suppose, for example, once this data is there in a permanently, now how we are operating this data by using SQL language they are telling. Suppose, for example, this is a what data is there. For example, what is data? What is information? Later we are learning. Observe here. New York is a city is there, for example. In my project, I want to change. Today, I want to change this New York location into where Hyderabad is a location in my project side. For example, maybe now here. Suppose I want to change a what this New York location into where Hyderabad is a location. I want to change in this relational databases. How can I mean? Just in a where SQL prompt only, SQL language we are using. Oh, SQL language means very easiest language. How means I will tell you. And now SQL language is there in a feature. You are typing some commands. Observe it here. Update table. Okay, something is there. And now here, yes, here some commands we are typing like this. So only single or 2 lines of commands, only simple. That's why anybody also learning a what? Yes, so SQL language very easy. And now here, yes, without any knowledge of the where software also easily there. Okay, handling. And now check it out. One line of coding I'm writing. In this coding you are familiar. In a future you are learning a courses like Oracle SQL Server, these type of courses. That is called SQL command. These are called SQL language. One line of coding is there. No? Yes, here. This is a non-procedural language. Variables are not there. Okay, so now your loops are not there. Conditions are if conditions case. Okay, these type of things are not there. Very easy, non-procedural language. 1 or 2 or 3 lines of coding is there. Simple. Now, yes, observe it here. Yes, once we are writing a what, this type of coding, this is called SQL language, then automatically it is affected in a where your database. Observe it here. Yes, your database. Yes, in a previous case, New York is there, but in this case, Hyderabad is a location is there or not? Yes. That's why always observe it here. And now here, Oracle is a database product. What type of database means? Oh, maybe in a future relational databases. That's why structured collection of data it will be storing. But if you want to operate a what, these are relational, otherwise Oracle database product, which languages we are using? Which languages? In a non-technical person means slowly observe here. Which languages? Yes, one language is what? SQL. SQL means structured query language. Not only that language, some other language is there. What is that one means? Maybe anybody having idea? Technical programmers. PLSQL is a language. In our course, that language also we are learning. PLSQL means same like a Java, same like a C, C++. So procedural language concepts are there, variables, some little bit of coding, not a difficult, very easy only. PLSQL, so many jobs are there. You are typing a what in a Google, PLSQL developer means so many jobs are there. Only PLSQL, little bit of SQL knowledge also guarantee job. That much powerful. Observe here. Yes, if you want to operate a what Oracle database product in our company side or anything, just we are using a what, we are learning a what, which languages? SQL is a one language, structured query language. After SQL we are learning means yes, another language also better to learn. That is what PLSQL, procedural language extension for SQL. Not only that one, not only these two, but also in a company side we are using a what, another language here. Dynamic SQL is a language. Dynamic SQL, that is a small one only, because PLSQL we are good knowledge is there, means a little bit of extension is there. Dynamic SQL language. These three languages you have an idea. And now here, yes, through these three languages we are operating a what, this software only, Oracle software. That is most powerful. In a company side, yes, here little bit of SQL knowledge is there, little bit of PLSQL knowledge is there also we are operating, but more things so we are learning means okay, so now so many different types of jobs are there. That's why observe here, Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. If you want to operate a what, this relational database product means which languages we are learning? One is SQL language we are using, otherwise learning. Again, another one is PLSQL, another one is dynamic SQL. These three languages we are learning a what in our course. Most powerful. Suppose here, now here, check it out. Here in this SQL language, for example, yes, this is another finished batch. In SQL, so many DDL, DML here creating a table. These all the things are available in a way. This is a SQL language. Here some queries you are writing only. Okay, fine. What is this one? In another batch completed means these all the things are there. And now here, these are all the things. How can I? What is that one? Those are all the things you are learning. Okay, fine. Here, select statement. These are simple. Okay, fine. Simple concepts only. These queries you are writing. Suppose you are joining in a very Java course or anything. You are attending interview. You are joining in a Python course. You are attending interview. Write a query to display employee salary employee. They are asking. Minimum basic knowledge is required in a front-end programmer also. In that case also, these queries are helpful. Not only database programmer. And now here, observe here, these type of concepts are there. Okay, these are all the things we are learning. And now here, main concept, joins is a concept. Retrieve data from multiple tables. This is SQL language knowledge. Maybe some fellows are having idea on it. And now here, then here, constraints. So now here. Okay, so now in our SQL language side, constraints is a concept is there here. Primary key, foreign key, check. So many things are there. Okay, fine. Once we are good at what those all the things we are learning in our course here, subquery is a concept is there, most powerful. Yes, query within another query, but a little bit of so 1 or 2 lines of codings only. Okay, fine. Observe here. In okay, fine. Observe it. These are all the things we are learning one of these days. 1 minute only here. These are main chapter. In a database also subqueries are there. Observe here, subqueries. These are most powerful. In this chapter only we are learning about interview questions. Okay, fine. Suppose here you are attending an interview means so now here display nth highest salary employee, second highest salary employee, so delete duplicate rows. So these type of things are there. Okay, so those all the things we are learning about in our course only. Where is that one? Okay, some queries are there. Okay, fine. These are all the things we are familiar. Okay, don't worry. Now then, a database object, so many things are there. Okay, fine. We are learning. Okay, fine. These are big concepts. Again, PLSQL means some little bit of coding is there. Don't afraid only. This is a PLSQL. And now PLSQL means here, this type of some little bit of coding you are writing only here. PLSQL is there. In that one, cursors, exceptions, stored procedures, stored functions, triggers, packages, types, collections, bulk bind, recursors, okay, local subprograms, UTL file packages, SQL loader, external tables, so many things only like this. Okay, fine. So much syllabus is there. That's why some concepts are there. Don't worry. Now here. That's why yes, SQL language first we are learning. After that one, some knowledge you are getting only. Yes, then okay, then only they are learning about PLSQL. Through these two languages, we are operating what this Oracle software. Okay, yeah. And now check it out. Observe it here. Okay, but unfortunately, so many fellows are thinking about, oh, database means nothing is there. Some Java, .NET, Python application front end is there. The data we are entering means the data is storing purpose only. They are thinking, okay, first time newcomer. In a backend only, they are storing a what a data purpose only, storing data purpose only. They are thinking, but absolutely wrong one. Not only storing a what data, so many things are there. What is that one? Actually, databases means not only storing a what data, but also yes, efficient way retrieval of data is important. Suppose, for example, screen observe it. In a olden days, 1960 before, in a file format only, they are storing a data like this. In a future histories, we are learning. This is a file format also permanently storing a data. But employee details are there here. Now, who are the employees are joining a what? Yes, before 1981, those employees information I want to retrieve means in a file. From the file, I want to retrieve the data means very difficult. You are writing a C program, Java program, .NET program, Python program. We are writing a what? Then only file data we are retrieving only fetching. That is very difficult. A big application programs we are writing only. But unfortunately, nowadays, these type of database softwares are there. For example, nowadays, these are relational database softwares. Now, from these softwares, for example, somewhere data is there. For example, now check it out here, observe it here, somewhere data is there. Suppose here, these are the employees are joining only. I want to display the employees who are joining before 1981. Some employees are joining only. Those employees I want, details I want in my project means just here you are a SQL programmer means somewhere data is there. Okay, fine. This data, how they are fetching means just they are writing a what queries. These are called queries. Observe it here. Select the star from table name where now here observe it here higher date like this only. Here less than or equal to here 1st January or anything. For example, now here check it out. Here 1981 like this only. Just they are writing the queries. Automatically data is displayed or not. Oh, maybe some query you are writing a single line of coding. Then before 1980, who are employees or 1981, those employees automatically retrieved from the where database is possible or not. That's why efficient way of the where data retrieval is most powerful. How you are achieving means through these databases only possible, through these languages only possible. But unfortunately, concentrate. Suppose first time newcomer means so many doubts only. Now, what is those doubts means observe here, concentrate. Through the simple example, today we are giving a what easiest way explanation only, difference between some databases, some languages, so many fellows are confusing, that I will tell you. Suppose, for example, slowly 5 minutes, concentrate enough. I am working in a company. Slowly observe here. Whenever I am working in a company, I have a doubt, or you are also having a doubt on. I'm working in a Oracle projects. Oracle is a relational database product. Okay, fine. If I want to operate a what this relational database product, then I am using a what in my company side. SQL is a language. Observe it here. SQL is a language I'm using. Slowly observe it here. SQL is a language. Okay, fine. Suppose in my company, another project also there. That is also a relational database product. That is from Microsoft product. That is SQL Server is a product. Observe here, SQL Server. Who are persons are working, who are employees are working, some employees are working in a very SQL Server product. That is also database product, same like a Oracle, but they want to operate a what? That SQL Server, they're using a what? One language only. What is that language? SQL is a language. Observe here, SQL is a language. Slowly observe here. Again, here MySQL is a what so many fellows are using in my company. MySQL is a database, relational database product is there, for example. If they want to now here, yes, operate a what? This MySQL database product, that is also relational database product. Yes, in my company, some employees are working in a MySQL product that is open source only. They are operating a MySQL database also. They are using a what? SQL is a language, for example. Now here SQL language is there. There is a universal language. Now what is my doubt? Otherwise, so many fellows are attending this demo class. Those persons having a doubt only. These all SQL languages are same or different? I have a doubt here. Now anybody guess it? Only one answer is correct. Whenever you are working in a Oracle database product in your system, otherwise your friend is working in SQL Server product, yes, your other friend is working in a MySQL database product. These all persons are using a what? A SQL language only, but these all SQL languages are same or different? Only one answer is correct. Easy. Maybe some technical persons are there in our class, they're telling only. These all SQL languages are same or different? Very good. In our class, so many fellows are telling a what? Same only they are telling. 100% wrong one. These all SQL languages are different, not same. Why so many students confusing only? Why so many students are telling a what? Yes, so many employees are telling a what? These all SQL languages are same, means maybe in your academic career side, maybe DBMS theory, some projects are there. In that one, maybe in small databases we are learning also. In that one, insert, update, delete, select, some commands are there in SQL language. Those commands are maybe same commands only in our language. That's why you are thinking about same. But unfortunately, these are totally different. These all SQL languages are different, not same. How you are given the guarantee these are different means simple technique is there. What is that one means? Concentrate here. Now here, concentrate here. Now check it out. Observe it here. So many fellows are telling different only. Very good, correct. And now observe it here. How we are telling a what you are given the guarantee these are different means simple technique. What is the technique means? You are a latest programmer. Through some knowledge only, easily you are telling a what difference only. That is, you are keep it in mind means very easy way you are understandable this concept. Suppose so many object oriented languages are there. Okay, little bit of knowledge is there in a technical. Okay, object oriented languages are there in a worldwide. Maybe so many fellows having idea, no? Object oriented languages are there in a worldwide only. Okay, fine. What are the object-oriented languages are there in a worldwide? C++ is object-oriented language. In a Java is a popular object-oriented language. In a C# .NET only is an object-oriented language. In a VC++ is an object-oriented language. That's why so many object-oriented languages are there. Suppose two languages today I'm taking example. Through that one, same concepts are there in a where, and now same similar concepts through we are observing a what? These all SQLs are different or same. And now check it out. Suppose simple, only 5 minutes observe it, enough. This is a demo, no, just observe it, what is going on. C++ is a language is there. Java is a language is there. For example, in a computer students are there, those persons. C++ is a language and also Java is a language. These are two object-oriented, popular object-oriented languages. In object-oriented languages, some OOPS concepts are there. Maybe object-oriented features, something is there. No? Yes. Here also OOPS concepts are there. Here also OOPS concepts are there. Here OOPS concepts means maybe some fellows having idea only which one. A class is a concept is there. Again, object is a what class concept is there. Again, occasion inheritance is a concept is there. Observe here. Again, polymorphism is a concept is there. Maybe so many fellows having idea. Now here roughly. Now check it out. In a technical persons are there. Observe here. Same here also in a Java also. Oops concepts means what is class? Okay, fine. What is object? Some concepts are there or not? Yes, here. What is inheritance? Okay, fine. Yes, here. And now here, yes, here. Again, what is polymorphism? So many concepts are there. That's why conceptually class, object, inheritance, polymorphism, conceptually same. Okay, C++ in a Java. Okay, conceptually, what is class, what is object, what is inheritance, what is polymorphism, like this. Encapsulation, binding, something. Okay, but observe here. Anybody guess it? Suppose in a C++, I want to create an object from the class means what is the syntax? Anybody technical persons having idea? So many persons are having idea, I think. Creating an object from the class means what is the syntax in a C++? Syntax observe here. What is the syntax in a C++? Yes, so many fellows having idea. How can I? Yes, here. Suppose what is the syntax they are giving in a where in a C++ means class name. Slowly observe here. Here only difference. Class name space object name. This is a syntax to create an object from the class in a C++. Suppose same creating an object is there in a where in a Java also. Now here observe here. Suppose they want to create an object. Some objects class something is there. Don't worry. What is that one? Creating a now just observe here. Creating an object from the where class in a where in a Java. Anybody technical persons are there? Maybe tell me roughly syntax. Maybe so many fellows are good at what Java, Python, these languages in academic career. No, yeah. So now here now tell me. Yes, very good. And now some fellows are telling correct. Class name. Okay. Class name space object name is equal to new class constructor. Some other syntax is there or not? Yes, here observe here. That's why these two languages are syntactically different or same? Different. Syntactically different. Observe here. Syntactically different. Conceptually, oops, concepts are same. But here syntactically different. And also functions also totally different. Suppose here in a C++, I want to display output means cout is a what? A function is there, streaming output only. And now here, yes, in a Java, what is the function? System.out.println, something is there or not? Yes, here. That's why syntactically different. Yes, here, okay, so now here, yes, functions also totally different in these two object-oriented languages. But conceptually, some oops concepts are same or not? Same. Oops concepts are same. What is class? What is object? What is inheritance? What is polymorphism? Same. But syntactically totally different. Why? Because those are two different languages. Okay, fine. So for two different products from the different companies only. And now that's why functions are different and also syntax is also different. Same like here also observe here. Actually, SQL, same thing. SQL is an ANSI standard language. SQL is an American National Standard Institute defining a what? Some standards only in a SQL language only. That's why this is a SQL is an ANSI standard language. Okay. ANSI standard language. Now, from this ANSI standard language used to operate all the relational databases. I am agree, but unfortunately, observe here, from this ANSI standard SQL language, Oracle Corporation creating their own SQL that is called Oracle SQL. That is important. That so many fellows doesn't know. Again, observe here. Yes, SQL Server, Microsoft product only, creating a what? Their own SQL from this ANSI standard SQL that is called SQL Server SQL. Again, MySQL creating a what? Their own SQL language only from this ANSI standard that is called MySQL SQL. That's why in our class we are learning a what? Oracle SQL. How you differentiate these all the things means these all the languages, SQL languages, conceptually same. Conceptually means here table is there, view is there, procedure is there, function is there, trigger is there, package is there in Oracle SQL. Here also SQL Server, what is table, what is view, what is synonym, what is the index, what is a procedure, what is the function, what is the trigger, same. Conceptually, here MySQL also table, procedure, function, trigger, package. These are same conceptually, but syntactically totally different. First 4 or 3 syntaxes same, but totally syntactically different. And functions also different. Functions also different means suppose in a null values we are handling means in a Oracle side, NVL is a function is there. But same function I am using in a where in SQL server working? No. Not working. Why? Because that is a different language. That's why in SQL server, is null is a function we are using only for handling a what null values. Arithmetic operation of performed null values again become null or something. Okay, sir. Here, yes, in a MySQL same function I'm copying only, I'm pasting in a where, yes, I'm writing coding means working. No, if null is there, yes, through that one only. And now we are handling a what null values arithmetic operations in a project. That's why functions are totally different. And version of here, yes, here syntactically totally different. Here create procedure syntax is different. Here create a procedure syntax is different. Here slight differences. Okay, fine. Suppose some function is there, months underscore between is there, that is in a Oracle SQL only, but same function I'm using in SQL server SQL possible? No, there is a date difference is there. There is another function. That's why always what we are learning means, yes, here SQL is an ANSI standard language. From that SQL language, we are creating a what? Oracle Corporation creating a what? SQL, their own SQL language that is called Oracle SQL language. That's why SQL is an ANSI standard language, conceptually same in every database. Conceptually, what is table, what is a procedure, what is a view, like this only some concepts are there. What is joins, what is subqueries, what is the vocation constraints, the same. Oh, what is what same, but syntactically totally different. Functions also totally different. That's why in our class, what we are learning, Oracle SQL language we are learning. Understood? Okay, so same like a Java, C++, object creation, and conceptually we are, so now here thinking means, now here check it out. Okay, fine. And now here same thing only. These are demo class, just idea purpose, maybe non-technical persons are there. No, those things, person purpose, we are telling you what like this. Okay, understood at least a small basic. Okay, fine. But now something, suppose why we are learning at these courses. Suppose Oracle database, otherwise SQL server, otherwise MySQL. What is the purpose we are learning actually? Yes, suppose you are a newcomer, I don't know. So otherwise you are experienced person in a company, so I don't know. So now here recently passed out, so I don't know. Yes, what type of persons are learning in a worldwide these type of softwares means? Otherwise Oracle database software means so many different type of persons. First, suppose student point of view, I'm telling. Suppose so many students only observed here learning a courses in a front end. Nowadays Python they are learning. Otherwise they are learning about Java. These type of front end, otherwise .NET, ASP.NET like this only, web-based applications and PHP. These type of front end applications they are learning all. These persons, these are web-based application programmers. Okay, web-based also possible in a Java or Python. Okay, yes. These type of web-based application programmers in a where in a project side, compulsory minimum knowledge is required in a where database. Minimum knowledge. Why? Because now here, suppose Java programmers, JDBC project side, compulsory they are using a what? Yes, database. This type of relational databases only. .NET programmers, ADO.NET is there, in that one they are using a what? So now here, yes, these type of databases. In that databases, minimum knowledge means here stored procedures is a concept is there, that is a regularly used concept. That's why anybody Java, .NET, these type of programmers attending interview, yes, so many fellows are asking, write a query to display anti-salary employee, write a query to display the second salary employee, what is join, now the write a query to delete duplicate rows from a table. Yes, here so many predefined queries they're asking. At least minimum knowledge is there or not, they're check it out purpose, because these persons are also front-end developer programmers also minimum knowledge is required, minimum. Either Oracle, either SQL Server, either DB2, anything, minimum knowledge is required. That's why maybe so many fellows are learning a courses like this. Okay, second point of view. Observe here, so many different type of persons are learning in a worldwide this type of Oracle. What's suppose Oracle course? Okay, for example. Again, second type means suppose so many fellows are struggling in a job. Suppose fresher level they are unable to get a job. maybe 1 or 2 years, maybe wasting. Okay, for example, maybe any reason. Okay, not a problem. They're unable to get a job. Then those persons, yes, they're learning a what, they're applying a what in a way in a company side. PLSQL developer is a jobs are there without any knowledge of the Java, .NET, front end. Maybe in a non-technical person, they are not very good knowledge in a way of programming skills. Then PLSQL developer jobs are there. 2 years, 3 years gap is there maybe. And now here, yes, here 2 plus years, 3 plus years. Okay, some gap is there maybe. Okay, fine. Those persons are in our course only. They are applying a what this course they are learning only PLSQL developer purpose. They so many fellows are learning a what course from me. Okay, actually I'm a senior most PLSQL developer. That's why I'm very depth knowledge. I'm telling only in a PLSQL. These persons are struggling in a way, against maybe in a job searching only. In that one, PLSQL, okay, thoroughly they are learning from me. Okay, for example, like especially our concepts only. I'm telling in-depth knowledge only. Where the interview, what is that one I know. Those persons applying a what PLSQL developer jobs also. So many fellow learning about this course. Because in this course, SQL also we are learning and PLSQL also we are learning or not? Yes, here. Again, observe here, yes, PLSQL developer jobs purpose. Another type of persons. Suppose here nowadays, so many here persons are not very good knowledge in a where coding. Okay, maybe and a not technical person. They want to move into where is in a software. In that case, one one type of jobs are there. What is that one means? Data warehousing technologies are there. In that one, ETL programmers are there and reporting programmers are there. Extraction, transformation, and loading. ETL tools are there. These persons are little bit of SQL knowledge. PLSQL is not required. SQL knowledge there. Having idea, then they're learning a tools in a very in a institutes also. Informatica is a tool in a very popular tool only in a way. Again, and now here there is ETL tool in a where data stays is a what a popular tool is there. Again, here talent, this is a tool is there. These ETL tools is graphical user interface. They are learning means minimum knowledge is required in SQL. That's why they are learning about these courses, these jobs purpose also. Again, yes, business analysts are there. That is a reporting programmer. Reporting tools they are learning only. Easy way they are getting a jobs only. Reporting tools are there. So many reporting tools are there in a worldwide. Suppose in a Oracle related means BOS, OBI. Now here these type of tools are there nowadays. TabView, QuickView. So now these type of tools easy way. So now here they are getting a what job means. Then minimum basic SQL knowledge is required. Those persons also they are learning a what yes here these courses only. Again now here yes here suppose some programmers yes here ERP side they are interested. Oracle apps is a what ERP is there, same like SAP. Oracle application 11 is there. These persons very good knowledge is required in a PLSQL. Those persons also learning a what these courses. Again OBI programmers are there. OBI now here yes this a product is there. Now here this with the PLSQL jobs are there. Those persons also learning a what like that. These courses again, that's what different persons. Suppose you are not interested in a where programming side. Now you want to administration side, you want jobs only. In that case, DBA courses are there. Oracle DBA, SQL Server DBA, MySQL DBA, database administration courses are there. These persons also minimum knowledge is required before they're learning about those courses. Minimum SQL knowledge is required. These persons also learning about these type of courses. That's why always once you are good at what this Oracle anywhere, not from me, anywhere also we are learning means anywhere also it is helpful. Either pure database programmer you are applying or business analyst you are applying or reporting programmer. Nowadays Power BI is there, SQL Server related. That Power BI also no minimum SQL knowledge is required. So many fellows are not interested to learn SQL Server, SQL, yes, Oracle SQL only they are learning. Why? Because Oracle SQL they are learning means all the things are very easy. Because these are depth knowledge is there. Okay, fine. That's why most powerful. And now that's why different nowadays Hadoop programmers, data science programmers, those all the things, minimum basic knowledge is required in a where SQL. That's why SQL, somewhere PLSQL, somewhere SQL only. That's why they are learning a what these type of courses. In a different types of jobs also we are applying only. Okay, that's why now from my point of view, here whenever in a course we are learning means depth knowledge is better. Okay, fine, because software means knowledge. That's all. Okay, later only your company says survey or anything means knowledge is required. Knowledge is most powerful. That's why I'm taking a more time in the sense it will take a time from my batches only. Okay, so now whenever SQL, PLSQL, these courses we are learning in our Oracle only, it will take a time because slowly, easily understandable purpose. Any non-technical person also understandable based only. All the things I'm telling, notes also I'm giving in a yeah, okay, so daily whatever notes I'm typing only. Okay, and then we are writing more clearly. You're understandable without any knowledge also not a problem. Okay, that's why it take a time. Okay, because I am interested in a way always more depth only. Okay, yes, yeah. Because once I'm giving a what something means your confidence level is there, then you are learning your own way also learning, not a problem, because YouTubes are there and anywhere so many videos are there, because our videos are there in a previous batches. There you are asking to so now here yes management only, they are only giving. Okay, not a problem. You are observing what some knowledge is there means your own way also you are learning, because same thing I'm typing all the things there. No, yes, you are understand. But maybe so many fellows are daily they're attending the classes means easy way they're learning, they're thinking. Otherwise self-learning also better, not a problem, because nowadays videos are there. Okay, anywhere, either Udemy, okay, so now here, otherwise our classes, otherwise anywhere, knowledge is your own wish, anyway also you are getting. But first what you must familiar, that's why these type of some introductions required only. Okay, okay, now duration is more than 3 months above. Okay, 4 months above we are taking only. Okay, that's all. Okay, yeah. Maybe okay, so now here in all batches they are sending a what videos or anything. In this batch also they are giving, I think. Okay, yeah. In a class timings means 6 o'clock, maybe 4 o'clock, 5, 6, or these are batches are there, so many batches are there in a 6 o'clock this one. Okay, 6 to 7:30 like that. But first we are taking us less time only. Once we are starting, those are all the things. Again, your installation process, all the things I will tell you. Okay, first 5 days week is there, and later okay, so now here 6 days also, Saturday also class is there, because so much of syllabus on. Okay, that's yeah. Okay, na? Anybody having a doubts? Because so many doubts are there, but anybody, because non-technical persons are there, some what is going on, they are not knowing, those persons are there having a doubts on this. Yeah. Uh, you want okay, suppose you don't have an idea that much of time only you are learning, then maybe you are requesting a management in a previous batch videos are there, you have to ask me, maybe they are providing, I think. Okay, yes, you have to ask those persons. Okay, then my Murali Sir videos are there. Okay, yeah, my name is Murali only. Okay, yeah. In a olden days, okay, in a net only, my PDFs also there in a 2010 onwards, and I'm in teaching side of it. Okay, yeah. That's why in a net only Murali Sir, PLSQL notes or whatever I notes means you are maybe 11G and 12C or anything they are putting. Okay, in a net only. This is also you have to download. Okay, na? Yeah. So confidence level is very important. Actually, all the knowledges we are learning on outside, not so easy. This is time waste only actually. That's why some up to job, how much knowledge is required, that one we are learning. Then through the net, through these classes, video classes, through that one, you are getting a what a more knowledge only. You are surveying in a project. Some colleagues are helpful or anything. Okay, maybe 6 months or 7 months, you are struggling in your company. Then the same thing repeated. But knowledge is most powerful. Yeah. SQL is a common one. Okay, yeah. But syntaxes are different and also functions are different. Already I'm telling you. Yeah. A DevOps engineer, okay, a little bit of SQL, not a more SQL, not required. Yeah. Okay. But here we are learning about a pure database means so much of knowledge we are telling only, we are giving only. But little bit of, okay, based on your requirement, you have to take about that knowledge. Okay. In this course, we are covering SQL, PL/SQL, and dynamic SQL along with this. Yes, here one of these days, history also we are telling. Okay, one of these days means okay, these type of histories also, or maybe history is there. Okay, so no, not a Murali Sir history is there. Okay, now in a olden days flat file approach is there. How, what are the drawbacks are there in the middle of the courses we are learning? Then what is a database? What is okay, so now DBMS, RDBMS, what is the differences? These are all the things we are learning one of these days. Okay. Okay, na? 2 or 3 days we are taking a demos. Better no, first you are comfortable or not, you are only checking. You are comfortable means you have to join, otherwise not interested means better to go for another faculty, because some fellows are, some okay lecturers are taking a what time only. Okay. Okay, na? But it will take time. Tomorrow I will tell you some other concepts. Okay. Yeah, there's a demos. Okay, don't worry. Okay, na? Thank you so much. Tomorrow I will tell you. Thank you. These are demo classes, just some concepts I'm telling. Okay, yeah, 1 or 2 days, not a problem. Installation, all the things I will tell you. Don't worry. Okay. Thank you so much. Tomorrow I will continue. Thank you. Tomorrow at 6 p.m. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. These are the demo classes, not a actual sessions only. Just idea purpose, some concepts, idea purpose. I'm telling only those things. Maybe 1 or 2 days or 2 or 3 days. That's all. Enough. Actually, anybody not attending a what yesterday class also, not a problem. Just observe it. What I am telling you what yesterday means, small concept I am telling. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. But what type of product is one? Database product. What is the version we are learning in our course means 19C is a version in this DB product only. What is this database means? Once we are installing a what Oracle software, automatically some place is created in a disk only. In this place, permanently we are storing a what data. But unfortunately, these type of databases are relational databases. 1970 onwards, these database softwares are available. These relational databases does not store random collection of data. These relational databases only stores structured collection of data. Yesterday I'm telling. Suppose this is a Oracle database is there. Databases means some place. Now observe it here. Here a structured collection of data we are storing only in this place. An organized fashion only. Actually, EF code introduced this relational data model concept. Based on that one, these type of databases they're implementing in a different companies. Actually, EF code is a mathematician. He is working in an IBM company. That's why he decided to store the data or representing the data in the format of matrix. Matrix are nothing but in a mathematics side, everyone knows rows and columns are there or not. That's why here structured collection of data is storing about this data using SQL is a language, structured query language. Yesterday up to this one, I am telling. Small thing I'm telling only. That's why what I'm telling about yesterday, if you want to operate, yes, this Oracle software, we are using SQL, structured query language. Another language is what? PL/SQL, procedure language extension for SQL. Another language is dynamic SQL. Through these three languages, we are operating a what? This Oracle software in your companies. Okay, na? Up to this one small thing I'm telling, but unfortunately, some fellows are asking, first time newcomer, Murali Sir, SQL means, oh, maybe some commands only, insert, update, delete, some small commands are there. That is maybe, we are also familiar. But why this PLSQL is some programming same like a C, C++, Java, same like those type of languages. Some language is there, they are telling only some fellows, that is PLSQL only, procedural language extension for SQL. Why this language is required really? Really, so many jobs are available in a PLSQL also. Why this language is required means so many applications. Now, for example, you are a first time newcomer means how you are understandable means concentrate here. Why PLSQL required means just idea purpose, some applications I'm telling. Slowly observe it here. Daily, so many fellows are going to where banks for depositing money or withdrawing money or anything. Suppose I am also, you are also daily going to where banks means ATM machines are there. From ATM machines, we are withdrawing your money, or nowadays deposit machines also there or not? Yes, we are depositing a money. Some transactions we are performing, money transfer also possible. Now check it out. Slowly observe it here. Screen observe it. Suppose in this database, observe here, bank is a table is there, for example. Slowly observe it here. Concentrate here. Just observe the scenario. Very easy way understandable. This is a bank is a table is there. In a table format only, we are storing the data in a feature. Suppose this is in a bank, for example, SBI bank is there. In this bank only, this is a data. Observe here, these are columns, account number, name, and balance. These are called columns. Here, these are 1001, something is there. No? These are called rows or data. Suppose this data, observe it here 1 minute only. 1001 is an account number. My name is Murali. I'm an account holder. My balance is how much? Yes, how much? 3000 is there. Observe it here. My balance is 3000 is there, for example. Now check it out scenario. Slowly observe it here. This is an ATM machine is there, for example. Slowly. One scenario I'm telling enough. Now check it out. This is an ATM machine is there. Now what is my balance in my account? 3000 is a balance is there. Observe here. Oh, maybe my balance is 3000, for example. Today, I'm decided to withdraw some amount only, for example. Suppose here, I'm going to where bank. Observe here, slowly observe here. This is easily understandable. This small scenario. In a non-technical person also understandable. I'm going to where some ATM center, for example. I decided to withdraw money. For example, I'm inserting a what ATM card. It will ask a PIN number. I'm not checking a what balance. For example, I'm not checking a what balance. But unfortunately, my balance is how much? 3000 rupees are there presently in my account. Now I decided to also withdraw some amount. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, 3,000 is my balance is available also. Whenever I'm inserting when ATM card after enter amount, it will be asking or not. In that case, maybe unfortunately, I mentally decided to withdraw 9,000 rupees. For example, whenever I try to withdraw what 9,000 rupees, now as I try to withdraw 9,000 rupees. Now I am getting a what 9,000 rupees? No. Here my balance is 3,000, but how I can get it? Okay, so 9,000 rupees impossible. In this case, it will give a message. You are observing or not, your ATM machines, yes, maybe some messages it will be displayed. Suppose insufficient funds, something is a message or not. Or maybe why? Because now here, yes, here your balance is low, 3,000, but you are trying to retrieve what more than 3,000, that is 9,000, 8,000, 7,000 like that. How it is possible? In that case only insufficient funds is a message, it will be displayed. But how it is possible this message? This message, okay, ATM center knows? No. Actually, same like you only, some software engineers writing a coding, that is important. They are writing a what? Coding only. That coding they are writing in a where PLSQL is a long way. Suppose Oracle projects means banking projects means Oracle means they are writing in a PLSQL. Or maybe what is the conditions? If user entered amount is more than available balance, then this message they are writing. Same like a Java, C++, some coding is there. If conditions, they are writing like that. Otherwise, how it is possible? Again, another scenario. For example, now here your balance is my balance is what 3,000 is there. Suppose I try to withdraw. Suppose I am inserting a what ATM card. Now I try to withdraw 2,000 rupees, for example. Now possible? Possible. Why? Because here my balance is 3,000. Yes, I try to retrieve what? Yes, here 2,000 means 2,000 less than the where what 3,000 or not. That's why this is try to retrieve means possible. We are withdrawing a money or 2,000 possible in this example side. Now, whenever we are withdrawing a what 2,000, now available balance is how much? Yes, here 3,000 minus 2,000, that is a 1,000. That is I want to affect in my database. Otherwise, 2,000 you are withdrawing, still remaining, okay, 3,000 is available, means total banking system is collapsed or not. Those are all the transactions, how they are writing, coding through their writing only. They are writing a what? Coding. That's why these type of coding writing purpose, a PLSQL developers are required in a project side. Suppose, for example, now here check it out. For example, this is a bank is a table. Don't write it, okay, anything. Why? Because you don't have an idea. Just observe it. Or maybe some scenario. I mean, my interest purpose, I'm writing, I'm experienced person, I'm writing anything. And now suppose observe it here, bank is a table. Is there only logically observe it enough? Bank is a simple scenario. Bank is a table. In this bank table, I try to withdrawing a what? Some money only. That purpose, I'm writing a what? Some coding in a PLSQL. Observe it here. What I'm writing means that coding you don't have an idea also. Logically observe it here, really correctly working or not, check it out. Don't write it. Suppose stored procedures is a concept is there actually in a Java, .NET, Python. These persons also in a MySQL, SQL Server, these type of languages side, Oracle side, stored procedures is a concept is there. In that stored procedures only, these type of logical conditions they are writing. That is in our course PLSQL side. Suppose, for example, check it out. Observe it here. I am an experienced person. Suppose in a future, you are also learning a course, means you are also writing like this coding. Don't write it. Just observe it only. These are demo, no? Just idea purpose. I am writing a procedure. Okay, don't write it only. Create or replace procedure. What happened? Observe it here. Just executions. Here, I'm giving a what? My procedure name is a what? Withdraw is a procedure. Okay, fine. Slowly observe here. This is a table is there. In my project, I try to one scenario. I try to implement a one small scenario only withdraw. Actually, big packages in this package withdraw, deposit, all the things they are writing in a real time. But unfortunately, some small task only I'm giving in a procedure. Now here, create a replace procedure withdraw. Suppose here I'm passing a what account number. Okay, fine. account number I'm passing. Again, amount also I'm passing only because I try to withdraw. The ATM card is there, no same like. And now here amount. Here I'm passing a what something only. Okay. Now some coding is there. I want to find out a balance. Now, whenever we are inserting a what ATM card, then we are trying to retrieve. Checks the balance. No, yeah. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Some coding is there. Select a balance. Here into V underscore balance, something is there from bank. These are all the things you don't have an idea, but logically observe it here where account number is equal to something. Okay, fine. These are all the things very easy actually. Suppose observe it here. Oh, suppose bank is a table is there. The table here, this is a table format only your transactions are storing. This table I'm using in a way in this PLSQL code. Here I'm checking whenever balance is there, my balance I'm checking only account number through if whenever I'm inserting a